Hello guys! Gusto mo ba makinig ng kwento? Ay, meron akong kwento na alam. Ito ay isang pamagat ay The True Friend. Okay, simulan na natin. The True Friend. Once there were two friends, a squirrel and a puppy. They used to live and play together. The squirrel was very sporty and always won the game. The puppy used to feel bad and thought that it was of no use. One day, it started raining heavily. The squirrel was in high spirits. He started doing antics but suddenly lost his balance and fell in the rainwater. He called his friend, the puppy, come to his rescue. The squirrel climbed on its back and reached a safe place. He thanked his friend for saving his life. Gusto niyo ba ang kwento? Salamat!